Hey, yo! I'm gonna teach you how to eat chips. Homie, this is what I mean. The bag may look full, but it ain't full. That isn't what it seems. If you got a big bag of chips, then you split it with your team. You lick your fingers. When you done, you never lick them in between.
Bang, bang, bang.
My girl loves stripping in public after some vodka shots. I can't control her. Eric Holder. She taking nips out in the parking lot. This life I live is crazy, but I was born for this, bro. My homies gang bang. Yeah, they love to shoot. Porn videos, BBCs. One room, 4 dudes, and one freaky whore. They'll hit a white girl with the bus. Like Regina George.
Bang, bang, bang.
I got whoopings as a kid. If I cried, then I would get it more. Your girl got lash extensions? I got lashes with an extension cord.